Ahoy hoy, Gavin's Grotty Guitars. I'm still on lockdown. What have we got? Well, I picked this up, and you might have seen it on another video if I've managed to edit it, of cheap guitars. £40. Aria Pro are fantastic for the money. Really good basses, if my memory serves me well. This is a strange Les Paul looking copy with two humbuckers, Seymour designed, certainly not built. And look at that, it's a bolt-on neck with a lovely join on it. I think it's rather special. Gloriously thin body, flat back with a belly cut, and lovely raised middle. What have I done? Well, all the electrics needed redoing. How about I plug the right cable in? Probably help, wouldn't it? So, a 40 quid thing, it needed new posts in the bottom, needed a new switch. I put new pot covers on because I think black with a little red diamante thing in there looks quite nice. It's got a really wide neck. It's rather good fun. As with most guitars I have, I made this one a new nut. Just playing that, you can hear that the low E's off a bit, and it's still very high for some reason, so I'll get the old files on that. Hopefully I've uploaded how to make a nut. If not, go and look at other people's how to make a guitar nut. It is the easiest and cheapest thing you can do to improve your guitar today. And you can do it with sandpaper and a saw. Let's try a bit of dirt. Well, all a lot of fun. It's a simple guitar. I wish I had that for my first guitar. It's got a great fretboard. It's got a wonderful neck now, apart from the low E string, which needs a little bit of touching up. Wraparound bridge. The problem with wraparound bridges is the intonation. And as you can see here, the intonation is for your fourth string to be wound. Mine isn't. Oh well. I'm sure I could change it with something better, but for very little money, A lot of pain, resetting the neck. There was a massive problem. I wonder if I can probably put some photos in here to explain what was going on. Setting the neck and getting the action low enough. The neck itself, flat-ish. Then I checked the fret levels, and for some reason the top 3 were bending downwards. That's odd. Which was why the action on it originally was so high up, and why I decided to go and do the nut first of all. So I sorted it a bit out with the truss rod, did it with a nut. Couldn't actually bring the action low enough on the bridge. Real pain in the neck. The wood was very soft. The holes that they drilled for these retaining bolts were too wide, and so they were moving around. So they were actually bending out. So what I did was drill a little bit lower and coated the insides with superglue to harden the timber up. It might seem like a bit of a cop-out, but it worked. It made the timber a lot stronger, less likely to move around once they're in and they've got the strings on. Sorted out the neck with the truss rod, and the action is all right. It's very good. Could it be lower? Probably, but then I'm going to have to start messing around with putting shims in the neck, and I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to do this one really quickly, not ugly, but quickly enough. And for £40 and probably about another £40 of strings, cleaning equipment, nut, and electronics, it's been alright. I think it's superb. There's a lot of bits I want to pinch. In design wise, that neck join is just frankly superb in my book. That's a wonderful way to do a bolt-on neck. Anyway, that's another one of Gavin's Grotty guitars that I spent far too long making playable. See you next time.